Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have got the way to elevate your next party.
Look how beautiful these palm leaf disposable plates are by Chic Leaf. I am obsessed with these. I have them here in the two sizes, the 10-inch and the 7-inch plates, which are perfect for so many different occasions, so many different meals, snacks, you name it. These are the perfect little disposable plate. I appreciate the design, how they have a little bit of a lip so your food is not going to easily slide off the plate. And that natural variation in the palm leaf pattern is so beautiful. They're really unique. Each one is going to look completely different. We have enjoyed so many different types of food on these plates, and they are durable, they're heavy duty. You can cut your food on them, hot food, cold food, snacks, breakfast items, you name it. They are super, super durable. I've had disposable plates before that were pretty flimsy, and that is not the case with these. These are so unique because they are gorgeous. Each one is totally different from the next, which is pretty cool. And they're also biodegradable. So I really appreciate that. I think these are such an awesome option when it comes to disposable plates. And I also think that when you're using them to entertain, whether it's for a barbecue or whatever, they look really, really beautiful as a place setting. So I think that your company is going to be really impressed when they see these because they're just so gorgeous. And for a disposable plate, they are so sturdy too. They are solid. I just think that all in all, these are a fantastic option if you are looking for great disposable plates to use at your next party.
These plates are so awesome for entertaining. They make for a super easy cleanup and they're really, really beautiful. Check them out. That's just my point of view.